What's up everybody, Dr. Rossi, shrinksandSneakers.com. I wanted to share my thoughts today, and I've been away from the YouTube platform for a little bit, but I'm making my way back, and today is as good a day as any to talk about the Matthew Perry incident and ketamine. So I wanted to share my thoughts on the doctors being charged in Matthew Perry's death and some of the things that I think we can take away as psychiatrists and as physicians about how to protect ourselves from this happening in the future. Now, everyone told me a few months ago not to comment on the situation. They said it's too dangerous, it's too risky to say anything about it because we don't know the details, you weren't the treating physician, etc. But of course, I went out and made my comments and said what I thought was relevant at the time, and now we know the details are in. So recent developments in the case of Matthew Perry's death have taken a serious turn. We now have 2 doctors that have been charged with the illegal distribution of ketamine. The charges allege that these physicians were involved in prescribing the powerful anesthetic drug known for its potential misuse as well as recreational drug use outside of the bounds of medical necessity. Now, this case is going to raise significant concerns for physicians like myself about the role of medical professionals in the broader issues of prescription drug abuse. And this is becoming more and more of an issue when we talk about benzodiazepines or, of course, the opioid epidemic. Now, ketamine, while it can be valuable in psychiatric contexts, such as the treatment-resistant depression, for example, it does carry a high risk of abuse and dependence, making distribution something that should be tightly regulated. However, I'm seeing more and more cases where this drug is being obtained by patients that I see through the internet, through physicians that are doing telepsychiatry. It's being prescribed liberally. Sometimes I've even seen oral versions or PO versions of this medication given. Now, the charges against Perry's doctors highlight the ongoing challenges in ensuring that the powerful medications that we prescribe are done so in a responsible manner. And it really underscores the need for stricter oversight in the medical community. Now, the legal proceedings will likely shed additional light on the extent of the alleged misconduct and its impact on Perry and others. But I think it gives us a little bit of pause here as psychiatrists to say we are prescribing drugs that we don't really understand how they work. And while they may help people with treatment-resistant depression or in certain cases, they are not a panacea to solve all your problems, and that you can easily find yourself doing something very inappropriate and potentially dangerous, such as the case here. So I'm going to hold the video there. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I just wanted to shed a little bit of light on this because it is an important thing for us as physicians to start considering. If you haven't done so already and you watched the whole video, please like and subscribe. It really does help me to know that this information is valuable to you and that it helps you in your life. So thanks again. I'll see you in the next video.